Life is pretty unpredictable, right? But it doesn't mean it won't have some incredible things in store for you. From bad drivers to good ones and from car fails to wins. Today I bring you some of the most incredible moments on the road which may leave you with permanent pupil dilation. I'm just kidding, but let us dive right into the video. It's a very beautiful day. The biker wants to take a short ride to get away from the stress of the day. But nothing will happen as he wants. The BMW driver comes to ruin the biker's day. BMW drivers are generally aggressive and do not obey the rules. There are exceptions among them, but most of them are traffic monsters.
What? What?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
Yeah, why you flipping me off?
What? Why did I flip? When did I flip you off? When did I flip you off?
Why you flipping me off?
When did I flip you off?
When I go into the carpool lane, you almost cut me off.
Why are you in the carpool lane? You got nobody with you. You got nobody with you. Why are you in the carpool lane? Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. I'll see you on YouTube, buddy. Wait till you show up on YouTube. Wait till you show up on YouTube. Look at this guy. Look what he's doing. Look what he's doing. Bye. 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 Bye.
Bro, what the f are you doing, dude?
If you drive a vehicle, you should be aware that this is a big responsibility. You cannot drive as you wish. The biker escapes from the fast approaching vehicle, but the Jeep driver is in trouble. The biker will catch him.
That's one lane, bro. One lane. You don't come up on the side of me. You f***ing idiot.
Everyone must obey the rules in traffic, including motorcyclists. But as far as we can see, many bikers think that they are the king of the roads and that they can escape at any time thanks to their fast motorcycles. The biker looks completely wrong in this video.
White line. It's a white line. It's solid. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. Old people. Solid line.
Some drivers refuse to use their mirrors. That's why bikers smash their mirrors to teach them a lesson. The woman in this video is lucky because her mirror wasn't broken.
What? What do you mean? You're gonna turn from this lane and then honk your horn at me? Are you retarded? There's two lanes. Shut your up, you're retarded.
What the You good, bro? No, I shouldn't. I'm on the road. Shut you Oh, ugly mother.
Driving in traffic is an act that requires responsibility. Since many people cannot fulfill this responsibility, I think that driving license exams should be more challenging and repeated. Maybe this could be a solution. The biker in this video starts to fight with the car driver who violated the lane.
Come here. Say some shit again. What? You gonna run me off of the road?
No.
I'm on.
You taught yourself.
What?
You freaking taught yourself.
I taught myself what?
The right lane.
What are you talking about, bro? I'm passing. You came like 2 feet. I have a camera.
Look.
Call the cops, you. What the f are you gonna tell them? What the f are you gonna tell the cops that you tried to run me off the road? I got it on camera. You look stupid. You look stupid. Step out the car. Step out of the car, ugly head.
Many animals in the wild wander in herds because they are united against great dangers. Bikers are just like a group of lions. They like to wander around in groups. The truck driver in this video is attacked by a group of lions.
Be careful. You gotta be careful. You gotta be careful, man. You pulled out in front of us.
No, I'm sorry. I really did.
Have a good day, sir.
I'm very sick, really.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Feel better. Feel better.
He's a crazy person who got his license from the supermarket. Unfortunately, he has a driver's license and thinks he is free to drive as he pleases. But this time he hit a solid rock. This biker is literally making fun of him.
whoa, 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 whoa! Get off your
Playing with your phone in traffic is an unforgivable crime. You can crush a person who stands in front of you with a moment of reflex, and this may put an end to your mistake. Therefore, the penalty for making phone calls while in traffic should be higher.
Keep your eyes on the road, man. And you got a kid in the car, dude. Come on. God.
You cannot enter every region you want in America. This may be a violation of private property, and many people harm those who enter their territory without permission. This situation has happened to many couriers. If you are riding a motorcycle, you should always be alert because there may be danger behind you.
Who's in charge here?
We're just driving around.
I don't give a shit. This is a private drive. You don't tear our goddamn road up, okay?
All right.
Where are you from?
Way over by Onaway.
By where?
Onaway.
Onaway?
Yeah.
You're way out of your jurisdiction, buddy.
All right, we'll go back.
You guys has gotta, I don't want you here anymore because I tell you what, I just got told about this. It costs us a lot of money. This is a private drive, okay?
All right.
You get hurt, you get killed, it's our situation, you know, we're gonna pay the price.
All right.
And you guys, and this has happened before. Have you been up here before?
We've never been here. We were
You
just
haven't?
checking stuff out.
Okay, well I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna let you off on good behavior right now.
All right.
I don't want you up here, and if you do come up here, just drive.
We
Drive
were.
nice.
We were.
I tell you, I just had 2 complaints and I was supposed to run down here. I'm
All
the
right.
caretaker of this, okay?
All right.
And you guys are young enough. How old are you?
14.
Well, I'm not going to ask for your identification because I don't think so. But anyways, okay, you guys
No, I swear I'm 14.
take it easy and drive good. I don't care what you go on that. We could hear it. We live right down here, okay?
All right.
So be careful.
All right.
Okay. You're talking to a ex-law enforcement officer, okay?
All right.
So I'm being nice.
All right.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.